NuviaLab Sugar Control Blood Sugar Review. NuviaLab Sugar Control is a unique food supplement that supports the maintenance of normal blood sugar levels. Regular use of the product supports the maintenance of proper macronutrient metabolism in the blood, contributes to the regulation of hormonal activity, and the reduction of feelings of fatigue. In addition, NuviaLab Sugar Control helps reduce appetite and calorie intake. NuviaLab Sugar Control is a combination of 9 ingredients that work together to create an effective supplement to help control blood sugar levels. It includes certified plant extracts, as well as vitamins and minerals. NuviaLab Sugar Control is an absolute game changer. This unique food supplement has completely transformed my life. With regular use, it effectively supports the maintenance of normal blood sugar levels, ensuring a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. What sets NuviaLab Sugar Control apart is its remarkable ability to contribute to the regulation of hormonal activity and proper macronutrient metabolism in the blood. I can confidently say that this product has become an essential part of my daily routine, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a reliable solution for their sugar management needs. Say goodbye to fluctuating blood sugar levels with NuviaLab Sugar Control. To make order with off-price, click on the link in bio.